Niagara Falls, New York, is a city located on the western edge of New York State, adjacent to the Canadian border. It is renowned for the majestic Niagara Falls, one of the most famous natural attractions in the world. Key features include Niagara Falls. Comprised of 3 waterfalls, Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, offering breathtaking views and boat tours like the Maid of the Mist. Niagara Falls State Park. The oldest state park in the United States, providing scenic walks, observation towers, and various attractions. Observation points. Places like Prospect Point and Goat Island provide excellent vantage points to see the falls. Cultural attractions.